Magandang hapon po ng April 21, 2025 Monday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng April 21, 2025 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabasan para sa 5 p.m. draw ng 2D Lotto. 3D Lotto, 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Monday, April 21, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto, 5 p.m. 'See you again later' for 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for April 21, 2025, Monday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Mega Lotto 645 for Monday, April 21, 2025. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for April 21, 2025, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.